Now it's time to have some fun with the Model 3. Cobra told you kind of fun. Welcome back to the Cobra Pit, whether you're a long-time viewer or a newer subscriber like Richie Villa. I see you. I appreciate every single one of you. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. If you haven't heard of the company PimpMyEV, they specialize in customizing all kinds of EVs. And when I say customizing, I'm really mean customizing. It's funny because they have been on my radar, but they did reach out to me and asked if I wanted to Cobrafy my vehicle. And if you know me, you know me. Not only did they send me a lot of cool products, but all of them can be installed in less than 5 minutes. Now that's really Cobra style. Let me start with something that's very useful, but I never really liked because of the look. Mud flaps or mud guards. So we know that mud guards protect the lower portion of your car, and these are no different here. The difference is you can't really see them. These are stealth mud guards. They are very low profile, and they come in a set of 6. 1 for each front wheel and 2 for each rear. And installation is easy. All you have to do is locate the small clips underneath in the wheel well, pop them out. They come out pretty easily. Don't worry, you're not breaking anything. You just look at the label on the mud flaps to find out where they belong, and then you put it in place. You line it up. You use the provided clips and press it in. That's it. I'm able to do it with my hand, but they snap right in and they're not going anywhere. Now these are hard to film because they are so low pro, but when you look, you notice like something's there, but what is it? Something's there. These are dope. I love these. First he told me he had mud flaps, and I'm like, nah, I'm good. But he said they're stealth, and I said, what? Now I'm on board. When you're looking down at those mud guards, make sure you don't step into any of those puddles. You like that segue? Let's illuminate the puddles in style. You can customize these puddle lights with your design. And again, real easy to install. You just open the door, you pop out the old light, you carefully remove the cable, you connect the new cable, you turn it around, make sure the light is in the preferred orientation, and bam, pop it right back in. Dope. Even my wife say that these are cool, and she's a hard sell. She actually liked a lot of these products, so PimpMyEV, nice work. So I put them on all 4 doors for Cobra showed ya the puddle effect. Cobra showed ya the puddle effect. All right, for real, no more. Okay, so here's something that's a game changer. My Model X has plenty of cup holders for all sizes and all shapes, right? No problem here. But the Model 3 was done dirty. I have this big boy to hold my hydro flask, and my wife uses the other one for her big bug jug. So that's it. Nothing else, right? Sometimes we even use the ones in the back seat when we stop at Starbucks or something like that. But no worry anymore. We good now. Look at these side door cup holders. Again, 5 minutes to install. Now you remove the screw underneath the top of the door handle. They include all the tools. You put the provided bracket in and use their screw to lock it in. You slide the cup holder into place, and that's it. It aligns perfectly with the door. It looks like it's OEM, and it's sturdy. It holds my coffee tumbler perfectly. You could put one on every single door. No more excuses. I mean, this is something that's functional, and I really like this. It's funny because a lot of times I actually put my sunglasses in the cup holder because it's easy access, and it doesn't go down here with all my other stuff, and it's all in the way, and it usually takes up a spot where I can have a cup. Not anymore. They even sent me this 30-second install sunglass holder. You Velcro it to the side panel and it's hidden. Easily accessible. It's perfect. It's sleek. It's out of the way. It does its job. We need more functional things like that in the Tesla. But I know what y'all want to see. I know. Those customized brake lights. Give your brakes some personality. Every time you depress the brake pedal, your logo shines. It just pops. Again, you get to use your design or look at the ones that they have on their site. All you do is go into the back seat and slide the decal between the glass and the brake light. The hardest part is just getting your body, if you're a big boy like me, getting your body back there and lining it up straight. Just use those lines on the back window to guide you. And then, after you get it in, you ask somebody you love to go step on the brake for you, and you go in the back and enjoy. Now, everyone behind me knows that Cobra told you. I mean, it looks cool. Like, they got so many different things out there. I kind of want to get a different one to switch it up, customize it. But that's the beauty of it. You could have your logo, or you can just add something cool like what they have. So look into this. Pretty inexpensive too. They even included some little trinkets. We got a keychain. We have a little sticker. Gave me some underseat air filter covers, and the car's recording. So nobody want to come over there and mess with your car. No set tripping over here. So little things like that are really cool. Thank you. We appreciate it. So if you really want to customize your car your way, hit up PimpMyEV. Now they're sending me something that's really cool I'm looking forward to. So stay tuned for that. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, all the links are in the description. And also, don't forget, Cobra told you. All right, y'all.